Nilgiris has an interpretation for different people in a different manner. That's the beauty of Nilgiris. For me, Nilgiris is actually the hub of innovation. First time we have a women's football championship that we have created here in the Nilgiris. And the women are now playing football in an aggressive and happy manner. We even have women that are now doing fantastic things like converting an entire hill here to become the world's first hill of flower. They use this as an opportunity to become monetarily independent. The women of Nilgiris, which is the most hardworking women that I've seen. Our famous chocolate industry here, most of them are women that actually make these chocolates. They're called the homemade chocolates.
We are from Modi's. We've been a chocolate brand in the hills, in the Nilgiris from 1951. Our specialty chocolate makers from the hills, from Nilgiris, and who completely make only pure Covacha chocolates. My power, my backbone is my ladies. I've got around 70 ladies working for me, and they are far better chocolatiers than us now, and they are the breadwinners of their families.
How are you? What's your name? Hello? Hello, hello, hello. How are you? Are you going to show me कैसे करोगे? Oh, I need this. Do I need this also?
Yes, you're making the chocolate, is
Okay,
it?
we put on, we do whatever you say. You should call my sister here.
Sure.
Come here. How do I say batao in Tamil?
Solunga.
Solunga.
We are from Modi's. We are the oldest chocolatier in Nilgiris.
When did you start?
Since 1951. He is my husband. I'm Swati. And when
this?
he is my son,
And this is your daughter?
and my daughter.
Okay. Are you eating chocolate all the time? Then how come you're so thin?
No, it's
Just
made.
now we made it.
This is a 70% dark roasted almond. And we are blessed in Ooty because of the climate, immediately it sets. That's because it's a Covacha. Sugar, cocoa butter and cocoa solids will join in a particular temperature. So that is called Covacha chocolate. We temper it to the temperature of 32 degrees.
So where does this come from?
Cocoa, we bring it from Mangalore. So we use
It's Indian.
cocoa.
Yeah.
We completely promote Indian cocoa.
So this is milk chocolate
This is
and that's dark
This
chocolate.
is 70% dark.
And this one 50.
This is 32%.
32%. And how do you decide or you buy it
No,
at
I
that?
give the recipe.
Okay.
And what we do is we get the cocoa from the farmers from Mangalore and we process it and we bring the semi-processed product to Ooty. We process it in Mangalore. Then here what we do is we, with the help of the ladies,
कितनी ladies काम करती हैं?
we've got 59 in
59.
chocolate and we've got Fune Bakery also.
Okay.
They are the breadwinners and they've been with us for more than 25 years.
She is the oldest staff.
She's the oldest.
She's one of the oldest
One
staff.
is the oldest staff. And
So joined as a normal helper with started working with us. Now the kids are working in big corporates, they're well settled and she's been fantastic.
How do we do it?
पिടിച്ച molding से.
ठीक है. ये हिंदुस्तान में नहीं बनता.
हिंदुस्तान में नहीं बना है. हैदराबाद में एक कंपनी स्टार्ट हुआ है. So we have started using them for the bar.
When we do this, there won't be any holes.
Air holes, it will come out nicely. So now she's making a shell.
Air bubbles. No air bubbles.
अच्छा. Do they eat a lot of chocolate here, the girls or no?
Oh, they all love chocolate. So we keep trying new flavors and they all eat definitely.
Little more hard as well.
பல நாட்டுக்கு நம்மளுடைய ப்ரொடக்ஷன் நல்லா போகணும். இது வந்து ஒரு பெரிய கிஃப்ட் ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி எங்களுக்கு கிடைச்சது.
This is done, sir.
Thank you.
our specialities. This is our hot chocolate. So
Should I try?
make with the chocolate.
Acha.
So it has milk, cream and chocolate. That's it, sir. So no preservatives. No. How's the flavor, sir?
Very good. What is the GST that you pay?
18%. The highest percentage.
Yeah, that I know. I know that's a problem.
So
That's a problem in the whole country.
notice after notice after notice.
The whole thing is to help large corporates
Yes.
and damage small and medium business.
And,
well, our thing is that GST should just be one tax.
Correct, sir.
So how can we help
Nilgiris to become
center of
sir, we have a small industrial estate where we are based at, and we've been requesting give us a better infrastructure.
What type of infrastructure do you need?
So mainly we need is industrial center, because being a tourist place inside the towns we cannot have any production center or whatever. So separate industrial hubs where we have all these small scale people can have their production center, and with sufficient power.
If you give me a note,
yes sir,
I'll try and see if I can help you.
please sir, please.
Yeah? Can you do me a favor? Can you give me your autograph?
She's ready to draw.
Thank you. Very good. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, darling.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you.
Thank you very much sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.